Hi everybody, this is ZULA, and I'm here with Garry the Garry Oak tree. I use the branches and the buds and the acorns from Garry to make the jewelry I make for you. And I just wanted to share how I go about building a relationship with Garry, and perhaps you can use this technique with the trees in your life and develop some friendships that way too. So, trees have a different language than us humans. They speak through the heart, they speak through energy and through stillness. So, as a human, you need to get still to speak the language. And I'm tearing up because it's such a beautiful language. So I'm just going to turn around and face the tree. And I'm going to close my eyes. And I'm going to start to breathe. And I'm going to imagine energy or a stream of light going down through my feet and over in through the ground and over into the roots of the tree, over to Garry the Oak tree and up. And I can imagine Garry taking that information, that energy from me, and bringing it up his trunk and down over his branches and down into the top of my head. And then I feel that almost like a cleansing wash, almost like a shower going, and the water droplets draining down my body and into the earth. And then we do this kind of almost circle, this exchange. So I'm going to do it now. I'm going to close my eyes and say hello to Garry. And thank Garry for this opportunity to communicate. And Garry says hi. So happy to be with us. And I come to visit Garry when I'm having a hard day. If I feel like everything's going wrong, I'm in a bad mood, like things are just don't feel good in my life, I'll take myself for a walk and I'll come stand here in a public park and I will just stand under his branches and just let it out through my feet and get that beautiful cleansing energy back. And it helps just circulate those bad vibes out of my body. So that's what me and Garry do when I'm feeling bad. But here today, I'm here in gratitude. And I'm also here because I finished making some earrings from the acorns of Garry. And so I collected these in the springtime. And so the agreement I have with Garry is that whenever I make a piece of jewelry with his offerings, that I get them blessed by him before I give them out to you. So I just wanted to show you that I'm here. I'm here, Garry. And I just have them blessed. So it's almost like a reunification that Garry has with parts of himself, so he can see what's happening with his body parts. So anyway, here we go. Thank you, Garry. Oh, they look so nice there.